Amber Heard addressed the UK media today on the steps of London's High Court as former spouse Johnny Depp's libel case against news group newspapers draws to a close. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor, 57, is suing the newspaper publishers over an April 2018 article in which he was branded a wife-beater. And after 3 weeks of shocking allegations on both sides, one of the most high-profile libel cases of all time has come to an end, with the judge expected to take up to 3 months to deliberate. Heard, who was brought in by news group newspapers as star witness in the trial, gave an emotional speech outside the court today, seeing her likened to Meghan Markle. Read more related articles. Speaking to the world press, Amber said, "I travelled here to the UK to testify as a witness to assist the court. After getting a restraining order in 2016 and finalising my divorce, I just wanted to move on with my life. I did not file this lawsuit, and despite its significance, I would have preferred not to be here in court." Heard continued, "It has been incredibly painful to relive the breakup of my relationship. To have my motives and my truth questioned, and the most traumatic and intimate parts of my life with Johnny shared in court and broadcast to the world. I stand by my testimony, and I now place my faith in British legal system." Amber went on to thank her legal team for their hard work and support. She said, "I appreciate the dedication and the hard work and support of the defense legal team, as well as my US and UK lawyers. I also want to extend my thanks to the very diligent and kind court staff and the police who have been so supportive in ensuring my safety and protection. My heartfelt thanks for all of the tremendous and overwhelming messages of support I have received from all over the world. You have given me so much strength, and I send it back to you. Thank you." Body language expert Judi James dissected Amber's movements and signals as she gave the emotional address. Judi said, "This very powerful speech was delivered using body language signals of defiance, resilience and pride. Amber tossed her head back as she arrived on the steps of the court, and she continued to toss it defiantly throughout each segment of her speech. She walked with her arms down at her sides to suggest she was taking a brave, UN-barriered approach, and she smiled thinly at some of her supporters before she began. Her words came in small, concise but clear and emphatic chunks, and although there were several times when it looked as emotions might get the better of her as she looked down at her script, each time her head reared up with her chin held high to deliver her message. When she mentioned the fact that she didn't seek the lawsuit, a large swallow and tongue poke as she looked down suggested she might have been keeping back tears, and when she referred to the painful experience, some fast, staccato blinks suggested the same. There sounded something like a small choke in her voice when she said Johnny's name, and there was a look of indignance as she spoke about the intimate details of their relationship being revealed. Judi then shared that heard mirrored one of Meghan Markle's go-to gestures when she is keen to make an impactful speech. Judi remarked, "At the end Amber performed the gesture loved by both Meghan and Harry when they want to show loving emotion during their speeches, and this hand on the heart pose was probably the one that best illustrated her thanks and affection for all her supporters."